Welcome to Only One Carry-On. This is Jen. Today we're taking a tour of the family room with a terrace at Domaine Riberach. All the details of our stay, like what we paid and what we ate, is in the blog post in the description below. This hotel is an eco-resort and all the rooms are in these old wine vats that have been restored to bedrooms. When you enter into the room, you enter into a hall directly in front of the bathroom. To one side, you will find yourself in the king bedroom, which has a TV, and a door that leads to your outdoor terrace. In the room, there's also a desk with a chair if you need space to work. There is a storage closet on one side of the bathroom with robes and towels for use at the pool. The bathroom has a toilet, a single sink vanity, a bathtub with a shower. Back in the hall, there's another storage locker with coffee, a safe, and a mini fridge. You'll then find your two twin room, which also has a TV, a door to the outside that gets you out onto your terrace, and then there's a small chair and desk in this room as well. The terrace can be accessed from both bedrooms. It spans the entire distance from one room to the other. There are some loungers and a table with some chairs. It's a nice little place to just sit and have an apéro or drink at the end of the night. The hotel has a naturally filtered pool. It's a little bit like swimming in a pond or a lake, but there are no animals in it. The hotel has two restaurants on property, as well as a wine cellar with a little bit of a tapas bar area or a place for tapas. We ate at both the restaurants while we were there, as well as having tapas at the wine bar. The main restaurant of the hotel has a Michelin star. They offer a variety of menus, including a 0-kilometer menu, where everything on that menu is sourced from basically the property or right next to it. They also have other multiple course menus. During your stay, we did the 8-course menu. It was excellent. They also offer a kids menu at this restaurant. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.